Hey, Chef Bridget here with Fresh from Florida, and today we're talking all things mushrooms. Good thing for us, mushrooms are in season all year long in the state of Florida. Today we have stuffed mushrooms with bacon and spinach and feta and cream cheese. Come on back and we'll get cooking. Earlier this morning I cooked some bacon and I kept bacon grease. So do not forget this step because we're gonna cook with some of that bacon grease. That's what we're sauteing our onions in. So we're gonna get that melting and then we're going in with the onions. So if you don't feel like cutting your bacon, just get your kitchen shears out. Make sure they're strictly for, food use. And be careful for your fingers. Just cut it right up. And there you go. All right, so we got the onions sauteed and they're going in a bowl along with that bacon grease. Do not forget that bacon grease. We're gonna let this cool off for just a minute. All right, so we have the onions and the bacon grease in the bowl. We're gonna put in this chopped bacon and chopped spinach. All the cream cheese goes in, and we're gonna break up this feta. All right, and I'm gonna use my favorite all-purpose seasoning. You've probably heard me say it before, I'm gonna say it again, it's Everglades. And we're just gonna start stuffing this mixture into the mushrooms. You could also use button mushrooms. These are little baby portobellas or cremini mushrooms. So this is how versatile our recipes are on followfreshfromflorida.com. This is actually a recipe that is baked in the oven, but I'm doing it in a skillet. Again, I have some of this reserved bacon grease, so I'm going in with a little bit of that. And I'm gonna go filling side down for literally just about 30 seconds to a minute. All right, so we're just gonna get these out of the pan. They've cooked for about 5 minutes under a lid to soften the mushrooms a little bit. All right, so here it is, the finished product, and they are so delicious. Again, follow freshfromflorida.com. Make our recipes your recipes, change what you like, and have